Hi, I'm Dr. Sabrina Shah Desai, an aesthetic oculoplastic surgeon based in London on Harley Street. So I'd like to talk to you about Accutite and FaceTite, which are radiofrequency assisted lipolysis, not only to sort of sculpt the fat, but also to tighten and lift the skin. So this is really a new generation that's sort of bridging the gap between non-surgical treatments and surgical treatments. It's incredibly safe with longer lasting results, which last anywhere from 2 to 5 years. So let me explain to you about the two devices. So let me explain to you what these devices do. There are two devices, and I'm first going to talk to you about FaceTite, which has got a long probe. This is a bipolar treatment. So this probe goes deep into your tissues and this probe sits on your skin. So this is heating the deeper tissues of your face, and it's great for tightening large submental fat pockets in your neck and addressing the laxity of your neck and increased volume in the jowls. So this is sort of how the treatment is performed, and really it's used in people who have extremely heavy fatty faces, and these are quite difficult to treat just purely non-surgically. Often these patients ask me if they're suitable for threads, but threads are really contraindicated in such a heavy face, and really that's where you need to go with FaceTite, which is incredible for heavy face, and often you need to add a liposuction if you've got really excess submental fat. So the options with this treatment are, as I said, it's bridging the gap between a surgical facelift and other non-surgical treatments like Ultherapy or Endolift that are out there. There's almost a week to 10 days downtime after this procedure. You do need to wear a compression garment on the face because the face gets extremely swollen. You can also have bruising. But then this kind of downtime is much reduced as compared to what a surgical facelift downtime would be. Now let me talk to you about Accutite, because Accutite is the shorter probe, and this is really exciting. As you can see, it's a smaller probe and great for these really delicate areas, particularly the eye bag, lower lid junction, which is where you can get festoon, full upper lids, puffy nasolabial folds, because not all nasolabial folds sag. Some nasolabial folds just increase in volume. And this is a great way of tightening the nasolabial fold by reducing the bulk here. It's a small, local anesthetic outpatient procedure with no real stitches, just this little probe going into the skin and tightening the nasolabial fold. And the cannula goes in, and the heat can tighten not only the nasolabial folds but also the brows. This is a really challenging area where surgical options can be quite limited. Patients want to avoid the downtime, scars and costs with surgical procedures. And so although you don't get the increased longevity in terms of brow support with this, this is a great pick-me-up, particularly for heavy brows over here. So in summary, radiofrequency devices, FaceTite and Accutite are this amazing bridge between the surgical and the minimally invasive procedures, but they give you surgical type results with a bit of downtime. And I hope this little video has answered your questions on FaceTite and Accutite. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to visit my website or contact my team at Perfect Eyes Limited. I look forward to seeing you.